big box right here. Yeah, it's my nose. We have here your this is your Gundam 00 Diver Arc from the Gundam Build Divers Metaverse. Gotta build Metaverse, not Divers, no Divers, okay? And we have here your Metal Greymon Voxen type on your Figurewise standard amplified. Yeah, and as I know, the price for this one goes high and high. So yeah, I think that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gamma Show signing off. Goodbye.